Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but I'm back finally making a few more recipes. So today we're making these Keto Sweetened Condensed Milk Chocolate Truffles. They are so good. The name makes them sound more complicated than they are. They're only 4 ingredients, very easy to make, and they make a really great dessert. If you're craving something sweet, all you need is a little piece. They're so delicious. I love the cocoa powder on top with the super sweet middle. I think you guys will really enjoy them. And if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow, and I really appreciate everyone that has subscribed so far. Thank you so much, and let's get into the recipe.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance.